On October 21st, the third Greater Bay Area Plastics Association Conference and Industry Matchmaking event held by Guangdong Plastics Industry Association GDPlA is successfully held in Borche Intelligent Equipment Manufacturing Demonstration Base. The conference attracted representatives from 29 plastics industry associations. Borche Chairman Mr. Zhu Kongjian warmly welcomed the guests in his speech. He pointed out that in the current environment of external pressure and internal competition, enterprises need to forge ahead and recognize the three directions of future economy: new energy, NEV, and carbon reduction, so as to win opportunities in the new market environment. After the conference, the guests visited Borche Intelligent Equipment Manufacturing Demonstration Base and Borche headquarters. With the corporate culture of extensive and profound, create value together, Borche has always been cooperating and exchanging with enterprises inside and outside the industry with an open and inclusive attitude. In the future, Borche will continue to contribute to the development of the industry and the national industry and create a better future.